Today we're going to bring a drywall sander, and this one has Velcro so you could tape up the actual sandpaper in here. They give you the sandpaper to begin with, all right? Different graded sandpaper, which is great. But the actual grades that they give you in here included. They give you an extension pole. This is for taller ceilings or the roof that you want to handle. That this is not going to handle by itself. You can actually extend it even longer. They give you the actual vacuum bag where everything's going to go in here. Now, option, you can actually connect this directly to a shop vac too. So that's an optional long hose, all right, to begin with. This is extendable. There's a lot of safety features that they give you. The glasses, the actual gloves, and actual earplugs too. The extension's a long cord. This has its own bag, so you could carry it around with you and take it with you to your next project. They give you tools, so you could actually fasten certain things, adjustments, and so forth. So we're gonna put this together and see how well it works. Step one, look at this. Comes out of it, all right? Very simple. Now you do have to adjust it, all right? This thing comes out right in the middle, all right? We got it set up. Make sure that the holes are clear. We have a clearance on the hole. All right, so this is flat. You could keep it flat. You could tie it down so this could go flat, straight flat. But because we're gonna do a kind of a sidewall and a ceiling, you're gonna want to get the actual extension here that you see. You can see the spring here. So the spring, we're gonna fold it down. It has a little area right here, and then you were able to adjust it, if you guys can see, one way. Now the great thing about this thing, check it out, it has these areas, these little bristles here, LED lights. You can control all that. I like this part. This is great in case you also sweeping and cleaning up at the same time, and makes you sure that all the drywall dust is going to go in here. Especially on the older house, you can remove popcorn with this too. It's not just for drywall. There's a little clip here and here, and it tells you the maximum, right? You go going all the way and keep it lower. So right now we're just going to leave that there. Put it in there all the way maximum, but right now we're not going to use it. We're just going to lock it in place, all right? The way it works, we got our light off here, all right? Our light on, light off. That's how you control the lights in here in the front. You hold the safety. You hold it. Speeds. Change it to different speeds. We're going to change it to 2, all right? We're not going to go the highest, but safety's off. You hold it down, you push the button. Let it go. You could lock it in place too, so it could keep going, but it's not recommended because you could burn it out. It does come with extra bushings just in case you do burn it out. I like the speed controlling here in the manual, so if you're not getting enough, it's not sanding hard enough, you can always speed it up. The lights, it's a blessing. All right, at the end of the day, this is going to be it's going to pay itself. Instead of having 3 or 4 people sanding, this could do the job of 3 or 4 people. This is a saving cost for your job sites, construction, or your personal projects that you're doing. Very, very convenient to have, and it's well compact, easy to put away. I like the airbag. It stores all the dust into the bag itself. So very simple, easy to use. Make sure you have safety. Hope you guys enjoy the video.